Today I am reviewing this grill light strobe safety hazard kit from LUMENIX. Check it out. It comes with all of these lights. You can see the individual LEDs right here. These are amber and white. Really thick aluminum housing around them. Really quality LEDs. You can put these right in your grill. You can see they detach right here to put through. You have the spot to screw them in right there. They come with foam backing, and you get plenty of length of cable. Comes to this center control module that you can mount in there somewhere, and then you have this really slick, really nice soft rubber on this control panel. So when it comes to powering these lights, there's two separate options. You either have this 12 volt / cigarette lighter plug that you can use, or it has this hardwired kit with a bunch of wire that you could hook up into your 12 volt system, either to your battery or something else. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using this so I don't make permanent changes on my truck, because I'm actually selling this truck, getting a new truck. But for this demonstration, you'll be able to see how it would look, and maybe it'll even make me want to keep my old truck. Sometimes you spruce them up and it makes it nice. So I'm going to go ahead and get power for this so we can look at what they look like. Then I'm going to put it in my grill and we'll check it out at night. So here they are installed for the demo, and I'm going to show you my favorite part of this kit. Comes with a key fob. You can put this on your keychain to your trucks, and it's programmable. A turns it on. Look at that. Really cool. And then you have a couple different modes. Pretty cool. So you have this key fob that you could turn it on remotely, and then you also have this super slick controller right here, which can turn it on or off. You can make it go to the side, to the other side, all around. And I love that it has a button right there that says solid. That is super cool. Then we could go pattern. See a couple of different patterns. I mean, this would be great. You put this on your UTV or your off-road vehicle, or if you do construction or anything like that. Definitely going to have people aware if you're out hunting or something. Have people aware that you're out working at night, or just having fun on your recreational vehicle. These could even be mounted like in a bed or something. You see all the different patterns. Pretty cool. All right, now let's check it out at night. Here we are at night. Again, we have this controller and this key fob remote, which I think is super cool. Turn that on. You can see they are bright. Yeah, you could definitely light up the load, and you can go hit solid here. Make them do the patterns. Yeah, and you can see just how bright they are. It is wild. I'm going to show a little bit to the side so it's not oh so blinding. Right back to solid. And look at, they even work like headlights almost. Look at how much is lighting up everything over here. Wild. Looks really cool. Tons of different patterns like we showed you earlier. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.